Today we'll be starting with a new lesson. But before we start, this question: how do you think human life would look like if rocks were entirely absent from this earth? Yes, Franca, thank you very much. Our roads will not be constructed because of lack of construction materials. Thank you for that answer. Yes, James, thank you very much. Even the food we eat will not exist because the soil is a product of the weathering of rocks. Thank you very much. That takes us to the lesson of today, the rock cycle. What is it? It's simply the relationship between the three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and with magma. The relationship with magma. Deep within the Earth's interior, at the upper part of the mantle, some 2,900 kilometers deep, we have high temperature and pressure that causes rocks to melt, producing basaltic magma. When this magma is formed, it starts upwelling, moving to the Earth's surface, and as it is moving, it is solidifying. Rocks do solidify from cooling magma. So the rocks that mainly crystallize directly from cooling magma are called igneous rocks or fire-formed rocks. Now, these igneous rocks are formed either deep within the Earth's crust interior or on the Earth's surface. But noteworthy is the fact that these rocks are formed at high temperature and pressure. Now, when they are exposed to the Earth's surface, conditions on the surface are low. Temperature and pressure are low. So these rocks that were formed at high temperature and pressure are now exposed to very low temperature and pressure, and they become unstable. And due to this, they are battered by agents of weathering and erosion: water, ice, wind, rain, and other things. And these igneous rocks now are converted to loose sediments due to weathering and erosion. And when these sediments are formed, there is transportation and redeposition in different terrains. And when deposition occurs, there is burial and reburial and reburial. Different layers are buried on top of additional layers over and over and over again within thousands of years. And when this happens, these loose sediments undergo compaction, dewatering, and cementation. With the aid of cementing materials like silica and iron oxide to form coherent sedimentary rocks. When these sedimentary rocks are formed, burial continues. With deep burial, depth increase. Temperature and pressure also increase with depth. And now, these sedimentary rocks, because of increase in temperature and pressure, metamorphosis, change from fine-grained sedimentary rocks to medium-grained metamorphic rocks in a process called metamorphism. Also, rocks like igneous rocks also change or recrystallize directly from igneous to metamorphic rocks, still in a process called metamorphism. These metamorphic rocks, therefore, at this level, burial increases, depth increases. With high temperature and pressures, these rocks enter a zone called the igneous zone. And now, with high temperature and pressure, they also start undergoing partial melting. A rock like gneiss changes from gneiss to migmatite and then to granite, which start undergoing partial melting to form magma, and from magma the process continues. Thank you very much, and see you in our next class.